Welcome to your weekly Rosedale update with Carol
and Debbie.
Okay, so inventory for affordable houses up, inventory for luxury homes down. Are we surprised? So what's happening, my friends? The end of the forbearance programs and moratoriums are going away. And so that homeowner in that lower price point home are selling and cashing out because they're seeing higher equity. So the market for those low price point homes are being snatched up in a blink of an eye. Number one, because they're a little bit more affordable in this, uptick market, and our investors are just thriving for rental property. So they are going within minutes. The luxury home on the other side is, those sales have kind of dropped off basically because we did have that big fourth quarter surge. And now our inventory is within weeks. So, and the mortgages are starting to go back up. What else we got to talk about there? Some of the experts were worrying about toward this end of foreclosure forbearance that we might see a crash, but that's not happening. People are still within good credit. They're seeing good equity. They can take that equity and run with it, and those homes are selling. So, no issues, no concerns there.
Not yet.
Nope.
Possibly. We don't know.
We don't know.
We don't know the forecast there. Take your sweetheart to Rosedale. Happy Valentine's Day this year. The dinner will be Friday, December. What am I thinking? February 11th from 5 to 8 p.m. with live music with Ava Adams. Serving a delightful 3-course dinner menu. It really is a beautiful menu, Carol. It's got lobster, shrimp, scampi, 3 courses of beautiful deliciousness there. Make your reservations today. And then the big word in the athletic sports world is a Super Bowl, which is fast approaching. The Super Bowl visits Rosedale, number 1, with a Super Bowl skins golf game, and that'll be Sunday, February 13th at 8:30 a.m. shotgun, and then lunch will follow thereafter, themed by, well, now we know who's playing in the Super Bowl, the Bengals and the Rams. So I'm sure the chef will do a fantastic job there. Followed by, rolling into the evening, Super Bowl party happening at Rosedale's club. And the appetizer menu will be available all afternoon from 3 until 7 o'clock at night. And then the kickoff of that big game is 6:30 p.m. So cheer your team on with some friends, and that sounds like a really good time. Now, the Rosedale talk this week is all about our new listings. We have a few coming up.
We do. So I did want to talk about, first of all, last week we launched one, and of course it was gone in a bat of an eye. And we talk about coming soon. Some of them are a little bit further down the road, but it's because we are here to meet your goals. So so many people are calling. They want to find out what the value of their home is, and then maybe they're not ready to sell until maybe that spring break, or they have company coming. They don't want the house on the market until after the company has left. Some of them are planning trips, and they're saying, okay, we know it's going to be a revolving door, and we've got a trip planned at XYZ date, and that's when we launch it. So we're here to meet your goals
with their timing.
We also work around post occupancy. So lots of variables out there. Whatever your concerns are, let's talk through those. We can meet your goals and objectives. We're always here for you. So give us a call if you're thinking of selling, looking to buy, or just wanting to know what's going on in the market. Give us a call. Till then, see you later.
Bye-bye.